Welcome, carving fans, to another episode of Beavercraft's weekly tutorials. Today, we're diving into the world of carving, full of creativity and detail. In this episode, we're tackling a unique challenge inspired by mythical creatures. Watch as we turn a simple block of wood into an extraordinary glasses holder in the shape of a face, sure to impress you. First, let's discuss the tools and materials we need for our project. Planning is key in carving, so we'll go over the project details before we start. We're using a 10 by 4 by 4 inches block of basswood, perfect for our design. To attach our pattern to the wood, we'll use Titebond glue. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep up with our exciting carving sessions using top-notch wood carving knives. Begin by picturing a shape in the wood block. Sketching it out will help your carving, ensuring a well-proportioned figure. Now, get your carving tools ready and join us on this creative journey. We'll walk you through each step of carving the glasses holder, sharing tips and tricks to improve your skills, especially if you're a beginner. Today's task is to sculpt a glasses holder from our wood block, challenging our skills. So let's create this amazing piece together. As you carve, focus on gradually shaping. Pay close attention to the figure's features, aiming for accurate proportions. For beginners, the challenge lies in the depth of your cuts and maintaining symmetry. Take it slow and check your work as you go. Also, remember to consider the wood grain. Carving against it can cause splintering. Carve along the grain for smoother cuts and a better finish. Every challenge is a chance to improve your carving. If you're new, keep practicing and don't worry about small mistakes. Carving gets better with time and dedication. Whether you're experienced or just starting out, approach this face-shaped glasses holder project with enthusiasm and creativity. Share your progress and any challenges in the comments, and let's grow as a carving community. Thanks for joining us on this carving journey. If you liked this tutorial, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and subscribe for more great tutorials. Connect with us on social media and share your carving projects and thoughts in the comments.